What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is, man. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, checking me out, man. Trying the recipes, doing your thing. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. For real, we get it down here, man. Having fun, dope recipes, getting it in. Just getting it in. Let's do it. So today, y'all, it was nice outside, so I decided to break out the Weber kettle and get it in. And I had just a few people coming over, so I was kind of making like different recipes, to share with my company. And I decided to break out the camera and share this one dish that I'm about to make, that you can make at home as a main dish, or you can make it if you're having like a little get together or something like that. Want to share with family and friends. Real easy recipe. I got me some turkey kielbasa up here. I got me some turkey sage sausage up here, mushrooms, peppers, onions. Real easy and quick recipe that's going to come together. All right, and what I'm going to be making is a grilled turkey sausage and gravy. Okay, that you can have over some rice, over some mash, over some noodles. You know what I'm saying? Real easy, man. Definitely a comfort grub, and could that fill you up. All right. So this is kind of like what we're going to start off with. Let's do it. So now I'm going to take my bell peppers and cut them up. And I kind of want them in like nice chunks, not really super big chunks. I'll show you. You can use any kind of bell pepper. I want some chunks like that, y'all. Okay? Chop your bell peppers up into chunks, small chunks, because this is going to be like a little hearty comfort food. Now my green pepper. Next, my onion. Alright, you can use whatever kind of onion you like, red onion, white onion, or even shallots. I use shallots all the time. Same thing, you want to have nice like chunks. As you can see how I'm doing it like that. Okay. There we go, just like that. Just like that, y'all, real easy. There you go. Once you're done cutting, get everything put in a bowl, set to the side. Next, we're going to do our mushrooms. Same way. Some nice thick slices like that. Right? Because like I said, we want this to be a nice, hearty, chunky sausage and gravy. Boom. Mushrooms is ready. Good to go. Set that to the side. Also, I'm going to add a couple of garlic cloves to this. Dicing up some garlic real fast. Just a couple of cloves. A little bit of garlic flavor. Because I'm going to add some smoked garlic powder to it. So I love garlic. I just don't want to go too overboard, but 2 or 3 cloves is good to go. There you go. Garlic is ready. That's it. Set that to the side. Next, we're gonna go ahead and hook up our turkey sage. Okay. You can get this at any butcher, meat place, even the market. I got this from my grocery store. Love turkey sage, man. I use this for all kinds of anything I want to incorporate like sausage into. I love the sage. Like, it's just smells just good. I love it. And this is really going to bring a whole lot of flavor to our gravy. You feel me? Oh yeah. All right, got my pan out. Ready to get it going. Going to add a little bit of oil in here. Okay, some avocado oil. Get that mixed around. Get this heated on up. I'm telling you, y'all will definitely love this. And right now, I got my grillers going right now. So I kind of wanted to bring y'all in on this first before I really started, you know, getting my burn on, you know, handling my grill business. So I can show y'all, because the kiboski is going to go on the barbecue grill. So we're going to get that smoky charcoal grilled flavor up in this gravy too, man. And you can still make this recipe without, you know, not off the grill. You know, you could do it in the house on a griddle or whatever, it pan. It still comes out great. But I just, you know, since I'm having some guests, I'm going to give them that extra barbecue twist to it. You feel me? This is another option, another dish for them to try. You know, I like sharing. You know, once your pan is hot, got mine on the medium high. Get your sage in, and it takes no time to cook, man. It's just a few minutes, and you just want to cook it till it's no longer like pink or nothing like that. When it's all browned, okay. Oh yeah, this sage is smelling so good, and you can see how it's coming along. Where I got it nice and like chunky, like, I mean, you can grind it down in a smaller crumble, but like I told y'all already, I like mine like with a little chunky cook, because like I said, this could be a main meal. This is a quick go-to, a weeknight go-to, fill you right up, you know what I mean, with some bread, with, you know, a roll or something, and yo, you go right in. You also, you know, you guys, you can also make this with pork or beef too. Okay, you know, I just prefer. I mean, you can even do chicken. You know, you got some really good chicken sausage out there too. But yeah, you can do this with pork or beef. Turkey is what I'm going with right now. Okay, so now once you get it nice and good, we're gonna go ahead and take it out. We have all the nice, the juice and the flavor from the sage is still in the pan. Oh yeah. Alright, now once we got our turkey sage out of there, our turkey sausage, go ahead and dump your peppers and onions. Okay. Ooh. Alright, incorporate that in with the little bits of sage that was left over. Still, I got this on the medium high. You just want to do this for maybe about 2 minutes. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to really go longer than that, because once we put the sauce together and this goes back into the sauce, it'll also kind of cook with the sauce. So we just want to get it like a nice little, like a little sear, like a little flow going on our veggies right now. Okay. Oh, this is smelling so good. After about 2 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my garlic in there. All right, and you don't want to like, you know, burn your garlic. That's why I put it in after the fact for like the last minute or so, just to get that garlic flavor incorporated in. All right, there we go, y'all. It's been about 3 minutes, 3 and some change. All right, let's get this into a bowl. All right, keep that flowing. Right now, I want to get a few tablespoons of butter in the pan. Put one more in there. Alright. Once your butter starts to melt like mine is, okay, now you want to go ahead and throw in some flour. We're talking about maybe a half a cup to a cup So we can do like kind of a roux and get that going. Oh yeah, y'all. And a little bit more flour. Yeah, it's gonna be about a half cup to a cup. And once you see that tan flow like you see what I got going now. Ooh, that's when you know you're on point. And you wanna cook this for about 3 minutes just to cook off the flour taste. Alright, now once you know you've been cooked some of that flour taste off, I'm going with some beef stock. Okay, because like I said, somebody could be using some beef sausage, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna go with beef stock even though I'm using turkey, okay? But you really can go with any kind of stock you want. I'm gonna go about 2 cups in. Alright, maybe more depending on how much you're making. Let's get this incorporated in. Oh yeah. Once you get everything incorporated, you just wanna, I went ahead and got a whisk so I can go ahead and just stir everything in. Alright, still got it on the medium high. So yeah, start to get, I can feel it starting to get thick. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. And if you want it thick or thinner, you just add more stock, or you can also add a little bit of water. Alright, let's bring it down to a medium. Now it's where you want to season. Throw some salt. Right. Some cracked black pepper. Next, I told you I got that smoked garlic powder. Right, about a teaspoon of that. If you don't got the smoked garlic powder, just use regular garlic powder. That's cool. This is optional. I got some black garlic. Definitely good for sauces and stuff like that. I got this out of Trader Joe's. So if you can't find it, don't worry about it. But this does add an extra layer of flavor. I'm going to add that to it too. Alright, get everything mixed in. You always want to taste it too. So you want to make sure yeah, it's seasoned to your liking. If you like spicy, you can add some red pepper flakes or something like that. But I'm gonna leave it like this. It's just a real good, flavorful sauce. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my mushrooms. Well, they're just cooked through with the sauce. That's why I didn't throw them in with the onions and the peppers. I just want the mushrooms, the fresh mushrooms, to stay fresh and nice and kind of poached with the gravy. If you feel what I'm saying, you did. Alright. Let that run for about a minute or so. Now, after a couple minutes, I'm gonna add my sage, my turkey sausage, my turkey sage sausage. Incorporate that in. Ooh, all those juices and everything. Just get that welly incorporated. Oh yeah, man, this is already husky. Alright, let's go ahead and get our peppers and onions and garlic also incorporated. Yeah, so now I'm gonna turn this down to a low because everything is already cooked, and I just want to let it kind of chill till I get my kielbasa up in here. And look at that, y'all. Doesn't this look crazy? Look, I'm telling you, man, this is a meal. Got the nice thick pieces of the sage and the, oh my goodness, gravy is popping. Alright, so now what we want to do is, now once you get to this point, you want to kind of maybe even take it down to a low and just let it simmer, because I'm going to throw the kielbasa on the grill. And once I add that to it, we're done. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn this down to a low and let it simmer and chill. Like I said, with your gravy, your thickness depends on, it's up to you. I got like a nice, slightly thick but smooth gravy because, you're getting vegetables, your sausage, and, like I said, incredible, y'all. It smells amazing, too. Alright, so I'm gonna keep this on the low. Set it to the side. I'm gonna cut up with my kielbasa, throw it on the grill. It's gonna take no time on the grill. It's gonna take me, maybe like 3 minutes on the hot side. And all I gotta do is chop it up and throw it in there. Feel me? Had to share this with y'all. Alright? Alright. I got my kielbasa off the grill. All that's left to do now is to chop it up. I cut it in half. Because I'm gonna put half of it in there. You can see like the nice char from the grill's what you want. And just go ahead and chop it up. And after you cut the sausage up, go ahead and just add it into your pan. And that's it, man. That's a go. Boom. And there we go, y'all. That's it, man. Real easy recipe. You know what I mean? You could throw this on some rice, some mash, some regular potatoes. It's definitely a winner. All right. And like I said, this could be a main dish aside for your dinner party. But I had to share this with y'all real quick, real easy and quick. All right. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, man, so you can stay up with my latest recipe videos. Comment, let me know what you think. Try it. Holla at me. Want me to try something? Let's do it. You already know what it is for me. Holla.